what's been on my mind. Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now.
Alright, y'all, this is our grocery haul, so I'll start you right here. A partial grocery haul, not a full grocery haul. Okay, so right back here, everything is basically for recipes too. We have our rotel, diced tomatoes and green chilies, our Bush's black beans, a can of Hunt's tomato sauce. I have a bottle of Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo sauce, a big bag of Lay's potato chips, this dog right here, Sammy, Artie, what are you doing, Artie? Are you being a good boy, Artie? Artie. Say, I'm about 7 months old now. Isn't that right, Artie? Okay, we got a bag of yellow onions, a 5-pound bag of red potatoes, a head of lettuce, 2 packages of the Tennessee Pride mild sausage. This rotisserie chicken is going in a recipe here really soon today. This 1 pound of ground beef, and then I got the 2 2/4 right here. I needed more all-purpose flour, so we got a bag of Great Value, big bag of that. 2 bags of steam fresh yellow and white corn, 2 bags. 1 bottle of Caress white peach orange blossom bath soap, a tube of the Crest 3D white toothpaste, we needed some more carpet cleaner for pets, so I got the Bissell Pro Advanced Formula. I love this stuff right here, y'all. Last time I got the lemon. This one is the lavender. Use it to clean your glass, counters, all that. I got a bottle of the streak-free, ammonia-free Windex. Smells like rain. I needed a package of dishwashing cubes, so I always get the Cascade Platinum. I got the package of 80-count Vanity Fair napkins right there. And I got a package of artisanal bread, and then I got a package of rustic sourdough. I got a box of 16-count Pop-Tarts. And I had no idea I ordered 2 cases of Dr. Pepper, y'all. No idea. But I did, apparently. And then these, some of these are for my 7-Up biscuits that I'll be making. But that's a case of 7-Up. Yes. 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 I forgot, y'all. I did get this case of water, too. I didn't want to leave it out. I totally forgot. I'm getting ready to put it up. Look at my nice, organized pantry, y'all. Man, when I worked on this, I mean, it took me a while. I think I'm going to paint the inside of it. Alright, y'all. Time to get this stuff put up.
When we wake, birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.